Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change Windows 11 taskbar size. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer. Click and expand Advanced. Right-click New, Dword 32-bit value. Taskbar SI, T and S are capital letters. Value data 0 for small, 1 for medium and 2 for large. Close and exit Registry editor. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.